Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video, we're going to be unboxing a slicklocks kit for the Ford Econoline vans. Let's get into it. All right, this is part number FD-FEK-1-TK. It is a turnkey kit or a full locking kit for Ford Econoline vans. This basically fits from the 1992 until the 2014, and it includes your brackets and your locks. So we have the side door. This is for the hinged Econoline. It's got the hinge doors on the passenger side. So we got two brackets for those. We got two brackets for the rear. We got a rear left and a rear right here. So we're up to four brackets now, and we come with two puck locks with the kit, because there's one puck lock that secures the rear doors together from being opened, and then another one for the side doors from being opened together as well. We've got right here we have a bag of two sets of 2 keys, so 4 keys. They're all keyed alike, so we basically have 4 keys. So if you lose one, you're going to be all set and good to go. This kit actually doesn't include any hardware, because what you're going to do is take off hardware that's existing on the van that's maybe holding on a strike plate or something like that. You're going to take those bolts out, put this bracket over top of it, put the bolts through, and then you're going to have your 2 brackets that come together in a lock that goes over top of it. These locks come with this black weather cover here, and then if I peel this off, you can see underneath here there's this spinner, which essentially adds a layer of security, because, you know, a traditional puck lock, if you just grab it with a channel lock and you kind of wiggle it back and forth, you could break off the hasp or the pin or something like that. And what this prevents you from doing is essentially spinning and really torquing on that lock, because you're not going to be able to get any traction on the lock with the spinner there. You get the spinner, the puck lock, and the weather cover. It usually comes pre-assembled like this. You can see behind here where we have our little locking pin, and then you spin this and you get your keyhole. Not sure if you can see that there. You also get a little instruction guide right here. Lays you through all the steps for doing the side and the rear doors. They also have videos available. There's a link to it on here as well if you want to watch that for installing the kit. Pretty simple kit. The benefit of these things, if you're not having to damage the vehicle at all to install brackets, traditional puck lock hasps, you're having to drill 3, 4, 6, 8 holes to attach your brackets to the sheet metal on the side of the van, and then you put your puck lock over top of that. This basically integrates with existing bracketry and holes on the van, so you don't have to damage the van at all to install the brackets. So that's what slicklocks is really all about. Now, if you're looking for this product, any other slicklocks, or any other products to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.